Welcome to USD 264 Tech Tutorials. By the end of this video, you will be able to use Google Classroom to analyze and grade submitted student work. After you've created an assignment and given students the opportunity to complete that assignment, you're now ready to analyze and grade your student submissions. Go ahead and select the class with the assignment you'd like to grade and find that assignment in that class's stream. This is an example, Casino Project Presentation Information. You'll see that of the 14 students in the class, 12 are done and 2 are not done. If you go ahead and select that individual assignment, you'll get a more detailed look at what exactly the student submissions look like. You'll see here that we're currently viewing all of the student submissions. As you scroll down through those students, you'll see in green that they are done and completed. There are also some additional notifications you could see here. You see that this particular student was done, but it was turned in late. So you could apply whatever late policies you have to that particular class. Also at the bottom, you'll see that these 2 students have not turned in their assignment yet and thus are denoted with late. Under that All menu, you can select and choose to see only the students that are done or not done. When it's time to grade your particular assignment, you can select the assignments individually on these tiles, or over here on the left-hand side, you see a place to input grades in those students. This would be my suggestion for the most efficient way to look at students' assignments and assign them grades. If we start with the first student, when you select that student's name, you'll see the submissions that they've made. This particular student has submitted a doc as well as a Google slide. You can then individually move through your students and see the assignments that they've submitted. Once you're ready to look at the particular assignment for a student, go ahead and open that assignment. Here you'll see that this student has filled out or completed the Google Doc that was shared with them as a copy to every student. If you'd like to make particular comments about each student's document or assignments that's submitted, if you select the Comments button in the top right-hand corner, you'll see that it will open a comment thread. Then you can highlight or click anywhere in the document and see that this Add a Comment icon appears. When you add a comment, then you can type a particular feedback to any student. So if you're language arts, this might be proofreading or suggestions. If it's a project, you might indicate future draft recommendations, those sorts of things. Here I'll indicate great choice by this student. On the top, you see that this document is open in a separate tab, so I can also return to the Google Classroom grading page. When I'm ready to add a grade, some things to take note of. At the top, you'll see that it's worth 100 points. You can choose whatever point value you want. We'll leave that as 100. But particularly here, just to the right of the student's name, you can give them their point value. Say the student got a 100. Also down here in the bottom, underneath the particular student's name and assignment, you'll see the Add a Private Comment box. This would be a comment that you could add to the overall assignment. You need to select Post in order for that comment to be saved. The student can also reply to these comments if you make suggestions. If and when you have completed all of your students' grading, or the grading that you'd like, in the top left-hand corner, you'll see the Return button. When you select the Return button, it will ask you to verify that you're sure that you're done grading and you would like to give students notification that their work has been graded and returned to them. If and when you're ready, select the Return button and the student then will receive their grade and have access to their documents again. That's grading and analyzing assignments inside Google Classroom. Thank you for visiting USD 264 Tech Tutorials. If you have any questions about the instruction you just saw or suggestions for improvement or further videos to be added to the site, please visit the Contacts link in the top right-hand corner of the website. We look forward to hearing from you.